Adventure, Mama Berna. Ganda ng kotse na kinuha mo Oo. Mahal tong nakuha mo. Premium car tong nakuha mo, Berna. Ha?
151 lang.
Oo nga, pero premium car. Ikaw talagang gastos mo. Ay, yung kotse nakuha natin, no? May roof deck pa, Mama Berna. Ha? Pagastos tong kotse. Limousine car to. Tignan mo yung paa ko. Pwede ka nang humiga rito sa kotse niya. Well stretch ang paa ko. Chair pa. Okay Itong coaching to, para siyang para siyang Alphard, pero mas maganda kaysa sa Alphard. At saka yung upuan niya, tingnan mo, isa tayong upuan, maganda yung captain's chair niya. So we're going to Novotel, Sukhumvit 4. AW Marriott, tatabi ng hotel natin, Yes, ito ang nightlife dito sa Bangkok. Itong aming hotel natin is the famous Sukhumvit Road. Laki ng JW dito, ayan yung merong train sa ibaba niya. Okay, passing through Sukhumvit. Panay action dito, super. Yun nga lang, tulog sila ngayon. Yata siya, so babalik siya ulit. Katabi niya si Ibis. Nilampasan ng ating lady driver. The Novotel Sukhumvit 4 with our very nice premium car with the lady who's driving it. Okay, as we enter Novotel, inside is already their restaurant. So this must be the breakfast area. That's still Berna checking in. Maganda rin ang ambience itong Novotel, ang daming alak. Nice bar. A new room for us to sleep. Wini-welcome agad tayo ng Novotel. This time it's not a suite, but it's pretty nice. Berna's working table. And another nice sofa. The view of the outdoors here at Sukhumvit 4, where there's so much action. When I say so much action, sa gabi, nako, it's really wild. Maraming chicks, maraming bars. Maganda naman yung niya, kahit maliit yung kwarto, maganda naman. Okay, with amenities again for us. As always, fruits and a letter from the GM right in front. And nakalagay, Dear Roseler daw. Uy, medyo weird to Nakalagay, no smoking, no vaping, no smoking cannabis, no durian, or you get fined 5,000. Weird siya, kasi nakalagay pa sa ilalim ng pillows. Ay, maraming loko-loko pala rito. Naman, this is a red light district. Kanya yun, linagyan tuloy ng sign. This is their toilet. May bathtub. It's pretty neat. Natin, at meron tayong maliit na ref. Okay, again, chill muna kami. So we're going to wait for the night times to enjoy going out here at Sukhumvit, Novotel Sukhumvit 4. Thank you for watching. It's